Have you ever looked up at an airplane and wondered who helps design something so big and fast? Let's meet someone who did just that and changed the world of flight. His name is Walt W. Braithwaite, an African American engineer who helped build the future of airplanes by using computers in a whole new way. Walt was born in Kingston, Jamaica in 1945. From a young age, he loved to build things. Whether it was taking apart radios or creating little machines from scraps, Walt's hands were always busy and his mind was always curious. His family believed in learning and they encouraged him to follow his dreams. As a teenager, Walt moved to the United States. He knew it wouldn't be easy, but he had a dream to become an engineer and work with machines that soared through the sky. Walt studied hard. He went to the American Institute of Technology in Chicago where he earned his first degree in engineering technology. But he didn't stop there. He later earned more degrees in engineering, including one from England and a master's degree from MIT, the famous Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Even while studying, Walt worked. He spent time at small companies where he learned more about machines and computers. This was the 1960s and 70s, a time when people were just beginning to use computers for building things. Walt saw something big coming. In 1966, Walt joined Boeing, one of the largest airplane companies in the world. At first, he worked as a tool engineer helping design the tools that built airplanes. But soon, he saw a better way. Instead of using paper and pencils to draw airplane parts, Walt thought, why not use computers to design them? That idea was called computer-aided design, or CAD. Most people thought it was too hard or too new, but not Walt. Walt didn't just use CAD, he led the team that helped create a new system for it. He worked with other engineers and programmers to build something called CAD/CAM, computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing. That means using computers not only to design airplane parts but also to tell machines how to build them. With this new system, Boeing was able to build airplanes faster, more safely, and with fewer mistakes. One of the biggest wins came with the Boeing 777 airplane. Thanks to Walt's leadership, the 777 was the first airplane ever designed completely by computer. Imagine trying to build a giant airplane with millions of pieces. Now imagine trying to do that without using a single paper drawing. That's what Walt and his team did. With digital design, they could test airplane parts on the computer before they were ever built. This saved time, money, and lives. People all over the world celebrated the Boeing 777. But behind the scenes, it was African American engineer Walt W. Braithwaite who helped make that plane possible. Walt wasn't just a smart engineer. He was a leader. In 2003, he became one of Boeing's highest-ranking African American executives. He showed the world that no matter where you come from, Jamaica, the Bronx, or anywhere, hard work and big dreams can take you far. He also helped create programs to support young people, especially Black students, in science, technology, engineering, and math, STEM. He believed everyone should have a chance to build the future. Walt W. Braithwaite retired in 2003, but his work still flies today. Every time you see a jet in the sky, remember, computers helped design it, and Walt helped make that possible. Walt's story teaches us that you don't need wings to fly, you just need curiosity, courage, and the desire to learn. Next time you dream big, think of Walt. Whether you want to build planes, write stories, or solve big problems, remember that change begins with a question and grows with hard work. Walt W. Braithwaite asked, what if we used computers to build planes? And because he did, airplanes and the world will never be the same. If you like this video and would like to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment, share with others, and subscribe to our channel.